Hey beauties, welcome back to the Global Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. Today you will have a masterclass on processing loden on a household machine. You will learn how to make beautiful seams without a cover. Loden requires special processing. In order for the seams to look beautiful, it is better to connect the parts by overlapping each other. And the line should be laid on the front side. And in order to make an original clothes, it is not necessary to have a professional sewing technique. Ordinary household machine will do the job. We'll show you how the different seams look like zigzag and decorated stitching. Now Natasha and I will show you a few stitches. Look at the sewing machine. Please pay your attention to the variety of sewing patterns. We will show you the finished stitches on the fabric. And, according to the ready-made lines, you can determine what your sewing machine can do. We put the fabric one by one. We will not sew to the very edge. All the beauty of this seam will be lost. Natasha will now overlap. Don't sew quickly. You need to be very careful. Now we have a zigzag line. We will now show the line very closely. Now I will tell you one secret. The main rule is not to match the tone of the thread. Otherwise, you will kill the beauty of these seams. We will now show you another seam. Now you can see what happened. Very beautiful. The thread will never break. This is already the third line. I was a little distracted because I was staring at the beautiful lines. But quickly look at these beautiful lines. So gorgeous. Next line. As you can see, Natasha is ready for 100%. But I am so distracted by everything today. I really like this stitch. I guess I can say it's one of my favorites. Oh my god, I love it so much. Please look closely at all the details. But this is not the end. Now we will cut off unnecessary parts with scissors. Please look close at Natasha's hands. The extensibility is great. And so we made 5 lines. Everything is beautiful. Please buy loden and sew your own clothes from it. For you, for your family and for your friends. That's it for today. Be different and beautiful. Subscribe to my channel, write comments, share the videos, press the like and bell buttons. We would really appreciate your support. Thank you so much for watching and we will see you in our next one. Bye!